curious, how many of you still carry a power bank whenever you head out? Personally, I stopped bringing one a long time ago because smartphone batteries have improved so much. Just last year, I felt that a 6,000 milliamp hour battery was more than enough for daily use. But now the Honor X80 Pro Max has pushed things to another level with an 11,000 milliamp hour battery. To put that into perspective, the battery inside this phone is actually larger than some of the power banks I used to carry around. Whether it's taking photos, shooting videos, streaming movies, or playing games, this device can comfortably get through an entire day on a single charge. Honestly, those bulky power banks might finally be ready for retirement.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
But the real question is, how long can an 11,000 milliamp hour battery actually last? As a professional tech reviewer, we had to find out for ourselves with a full battery endurance test. And the results were impressive. During the first 5-hour battery life test, the phone still had 73% charge remaining. That immediately gave it a noticeable lead over the competition. The highest temperature we recorded was 43.3 degrees Celsius, which appeared near the camera module around the 15-minute mark. Next came the heavy load test. We launched 4 demanding games, including Honor of Kings and Wuthering Waves. Among them, Wuthering Waves was the biggest battery drainer, consuming around 10% in a single hour. Even after running all 4 games, the phone still had 37% battery left. Heat management was also excellent, with temperatures staying around 42 degrees Celsius throughout the session. In hand, it felt only slightly warm. Since we had already come this far, we decided to keep going and push the phone until it completely shut down. We repeated the final round of heavy load testing, and after another run of Wuthering Waves, the battery finally reached 1% and gave up. This became the first smartphone ever to complete both rounds of our intensive battery endurance test. The battery performance was genuinely outstanding. To finish things off, we launched Genshin Impact, and the remaining battery lasted another 7 minutes before the phone finally powered down. The total screen-on endurance reached an incredible 13 hours and 7 minutes. The 11,000 milliamp hour battery uses Honor's 4th-generation Qinghai Lake battery technology combined with the company's self-developed Hummingbird architecture for ultra-efficient power management. With battery performance like this, I honestly don't see longevity being a concern for the next 3 or 4 years. What's even better is that while the battery drains incredibly slowly, charging it back up isn't a painful experience at all. The 90-watt wired fast charging system takes the phone from 0 to 50% in just 35 minutes, while a full charge to 100% takes around 75 minutes. Considering the enormous battery capacity, that charging speed is seriously impressive. And that's not all. The phone also supports 27-watt wired reverse charging, so if your earbuds or another device run out of power, you can use the phone as a backup charger in an emergency. With this setup, battery anxiety is pretty much a thing of the past. While testing the battery, I also stumbled across a surprisingly interesting feature. Whenever a call comes in, answer and hang-up controls appear directly on my hand. It's actually similar to a feature found on the Mate 80 series. And honestly, it's incredibly convenient. Under normal circumstances, you'd have to move your hand and tap the screen to answer a call. But imagine if your hands are occupied or you accidentally drop something while reaching for the phone. With this feature, you can answer calls without changing your posture at all. What's even cooler is that when you switch hands, the controls follow you and appear on the other hand as well. In daily use, it actually feels even smoother than Huawei's implementation. As far as I know, this could be the first Android phone to offer this kind of experience. So yes, the battery is the headline feature here, but once you start using the phone, you quickly realize there's a lot more packed into it than just incredible endurance. Recently, Shenzhen has been experiencing non-stop rain, and with the Dragon Boat Festival holiday arriving, the famous Dragon Boat water season has once again caught everyone by surprise. Sudden downpours seem to come out of nowhere, and in weather like this, a phone's waterproofing becomes more important than ever. According to Honor, the X80 Pro Max comes with IP68, IP69, and IP69K dust and water resistance ratings. It can even survive being submerged at depths of up to 10 meters. Now, most of us probably aren't diving 10 meters underwater anytime soon, but we can still put that claim to the test in a more realistic way. So the first thing we did was a waterproof test. We submerged the Honor X80 Pro Max in water at a depth of 1 meter and left it there for 30 minutes to see how it would handle the challenge. After half an hour underwater, the results were impressive. The display continued working normally, there was no visible fogging inside the camera lenses, and all camera functions operated without any issues. Based on this test, the waterproof performance of the Honor X80 Pro Max is clearly reliable. Whether it's accidental splashes, spilled coffee, or the kind of unexpected heavy rain Shenzhen is known for, this phone is more than capable of handling everyday water exposure. In 2026, waterproofing has practically become a standard feature for smartphones. What users are truly worried about is accidental damage. Fortunately, Honor claims this phone is also built to withstand drops. Since the battery test had already put us through a long endurance challenge, we decided it was time to give the phone a tougher physical test as well. After the drop test, we checked everything carefully. The cameras were functioning normally, the display showed no issues, and there were no noticeable dents or damage on the body. Even after being dropped from a height of 1.15 meters, the Honor X80 Pro Max passed with flying colors. The screen remained completely unaffected, and the cameras continued working perfectly. In daily use, this level of durability provides a lot of peace of mind. Beyond its exceptional battery life and rugged durability, the screen quality is also quite impressive. The phone features a 1.5K OLED display with a maximum refresh rate of 120 Hz. Whether you're scrolling through social media, browsing content, or playing games, the experience feels smooth and responsive. Our measurements showed a full-screen manual maximum brightness of 769 nits, while peak full-screen brightness reached 1,962 nits. That's actually higher than the peak brightness offered by some flagship smartphones. Even under bright sunlight, watching videos, reading content, or gaming outdoors remains comfortable and clear. Viewing angles are equally impressive. We tested the screen from several extreme angles, and there was no noticeable color shifting or distortion. Everything stayed accurate and easy to see. Of course, seeing clearly is only part of the experience. Seeing comfortably is just as important. The Honor X80 Pro Max supports 3840 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming, and its SVM performance is extremely low. When it comes to eye comfort, this is very much an area where Honor continues to excel. The blue light peak is measured at 461 nanometers, accounting for approximately 33% of the overall energy distribution, giving the display sleep-friendly characteristics. Even though the display is designed to be comfortable on the eyes, I would still recommend avoiding excessive phone use before bedtime. Taking care of your eyes and maintaining healthy habits is always the better choice. For a device positioned in this category, delivering this level of performance really demonstrates Honor's commitment. Nowadays, most smartphone discussions revolve around benchmark scores and camera specifications. However, many everyday users may never fully utilize extreme performance or advanced imaging systems. What ordinary consumers care more about are practical issues like water damage, accidental drops, repair costs, and long-term reliability. These factors have a much bigger impact on the overall ownership experience. Over the past few years, Honor has consistently focused on battery life while improving important details such as waterproofing and drop resistance. The goal has been to make the X series a truly mainstream smartphone that people can depend on every day. With its outstanding battery endurance, strong durability, and dependable overall experience, the Honor X80 Pro Max could easily become one of the most reliable devices you'll use over the next several years. That wraps up everything for today's video. If this review helped you learn more about the Honor X80 Pro Max, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and share the video with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.